Depending on what type of information you're starting to model from, a sketch picture may be a good place to start. A sketch picture is simply a picture that has been placed into a sketch, usually for the purpose of tracing or as some sort of reference. Sketch pictures are very useful when you're trying to create a SOLIDWORKS part of a physical model which is not easily measured. The best kinds of images to work from are high contrast line drawings like this one. These can come from an artist drawing or from a CAD image. I didn't have the line drawing available until after the part was created, so in this example I won't work from this type of data. The next best option is to use an actual digital photograph to work from. Digital pictures can be difficult to trace over if they don't use a good resolution, are not in good focus, or don't have good contrasting colors to help you see the edge you need to trace. The image shown here, a white part on a gray background, is not particularly good contrast, but serves well enough for our needs. Digital images can pose some challenges. Of course, focus quality and getting as close as possible to true orthographic projection are obvious ones. Perspective is another, which is sometimes difficult to overcome. One thing you can do is to take pictures from as far away from the object as practical, using the camera's zoom to enlarge it. This makes the lines of sight as nearly parallel as possible. Another option is to section the part using a table or bandsaw and scan it on a flatbed document scanner. This is very effective on flat or sectioned parts. For the pasta scoop, sectioning and scanning would be a very effective way to see the shape of the midplane. In this example, I'll just work from the digital photograph and assume the bowl section has a constant wall thickness. I'll take some liberties when it comes to the shape and number of prongs, but the overall shape will remain the same. Other tips for using sketch pictures include cropping the image closely around the necessary geometry, and when possible, to use a solid color background for the image in some color that contrasts with the part color. And this will help you trace the edges and will also enable you to make the background transparent from the Sketch Picture Property Manager.